listing the 26th of June 26. It's a Ford Transit Connect 1.5 TDCi, 134,000 miles in silver. It's a limited, so you've got absolutely every extra, the alloys, cruise, aircon, parking sensors, electric windows, electric mirrors, electric blah blah, all of it, a lot. Security door on the side, security door on the rear. And this vehicle was a category S, which I'll include a video either comes up on the screen or in the description of when I first purchased the vehicle. Literally got it back to my unit and washed it, so you can see everything that was on the vehicle then before I started to fix it. And people are saying, you know, category S, you've got the complete front end missing off a vehicle. You'll clearly see with this one that's not the case. Some are, which is the newer vans and cars. Obviously it's a costing against the cost of the vehicle. I don't buy those, I just buy the easier to repair, to be honest. So this one was just a few dents, and being the Cat S, there was one at the bottom there that was not included. It wasn't included in the insurance assessments, if you like. It wasn't any sill damage, it was just lower door. And the main reason, there was a dent in the rear arch there, and I think the other side and here, but it's this stuff at the back that will make it category S. Yeah, so basically you've got category N, which is very light, non-structural, category S, which is structural. And people seem to think that's heavier damage than it is. Normally it can be anything from a ding on this rear panel, that's structure because it's part of the body, you can't replace it, or even a slight knock on the sill, it'll be category S. So yeah, don't be put off by it. The van will be priced correctly for the age and the mileage. It'll be looking at some, probably almost getting towards half of the retail on a vehicle of this age and mileage. Okay, that should have given it enough on the walk around. You've got the 2 keys with the security keys, the mirrors there, electric mirrors, and being the limited, you've got absolutely everything fully loaded. Parking, like I say, parking sensors, cruise, phone connection, good noise machine. Well, it's on aim at the moment. That works fine, all good. The fan's all okay. You've got the stop start there. I'll include a start video on it now. So 2 keys with the security keys on there, and it's the push button start. You can see all the warning lights. Just turn the aircon off. Yeah, all the warning lights go out, ticks over fine, no issues mechanically, gearbox, nothing, it runs absolutely fine. And as I stated, it'll have the cam belt water pump, and all of the tension has changed. Tomorrow, got it booked in, excuse me, got it booked in tomorrow for that. See, 7 clockwork's all good. 7-Eleven is 30 degrees plus in the UK today. Okay, that's the start, all good. Okay, and also switch it on so you can see everything. I haven't got my seatbelt on, so you'll see the seatbelt sign. Apart from that, runs absolutely spot on. Like I say, it'll be booked in for, I mean, constantly, the first question I get asked, has the cam belt been done? So I've decided to do that on every vehicle that I've got, unless it's stipulated within the service and it's not due. Yeah, sadly with auction vehicles you don't normally get any service books. You can request it online, but there's only a few manufacturers you can do that with. Okay, 6-speed, all good. Aircon, super cold. Drove it back from the auction and to and from a unit a couple of times, and it's ice cold, so yeah, no issues. All the usual storage bits and pieces with the Ford, and again above 12 volts there. Yeah, much else I'm going about, to be honest. That's the off there. Really nice and clean, tidy in the back. Actually, only thing worth pointing out, and I'll get that from the other side, is the driver's seat has got a mark on the 2 marks on the top. Again, I'll prefer to show that as it is instead of covering it up with seat covers, but yeah, use as is or put seat covers on. Got the security locks on the side door and the back door. Really nice clean interior. It's got the original factory rubberized mat there. Bulkhead all good. Toolkit and the wheel brace are in this section there. And you probably know, you press these and let's see if I can do it. There you go. And you get the doors open to the full width. It's the EcoBlue. So the only problem with the interior is 1, 2, 3 marks on the seat there. So use as is or seat cover. Okay, so I'm going back to free delivery on vehicles. I seem to be getting less inquiries when I put a price of delivery on for some reason. So this will be free delivery nationwide up to a certain mileage. I'll put that in the description. Over that, cheap basically. So if you're in Scotland, it'll be maybe 100 max, but local I shall do for free. That's all to say of this one. Everything's all good. Runs fine, no issues. It's just been serviced, oil, filters, and it's booked in today, tomorrow for the cam belts, tensioners and water pump. Again, if you haven't seen it, at the bottom of this video in the description there'll be the link to when I first purchased it, or up on the screen at some point there will be the link to the video of when I first purchased it and washed it. Everything. I think it's even got my McDonald's wrappers in from when I grabbed something to eat on the way back. Okay, thanks for watching. I've got more vans coming up. I've also got a Citroen Peugeot Partner at the moment, 2018. That's up for 3.3. Right. Thanks for watching.